Hello everyone, welcome to another educational video brought to you by PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar, and before we dive into today's topic, make sure to check out and follow us on all our social media pages: YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. This way, you will stay updated with all our latest content and resources. And don't forget to visit our website at www.postnetwork.co for a more in-depth articles and learning. Today, we are discussing quartiles, deciles, and percentiles, three important statistical measures that help divide a distribution into equal parts. So let's kick things off with quartiles. So quartiles are those values of the variate which divide the distribution into four equal parts. Therefore, number of quartiles is 3. And how you can compute for ungrouped data. Let x1, x2, xn till xn be n values of a variate x. Then first quartile q1, that is denoted by q1 and its formula is n plus 1 upon fourth observation. So that observation would be quartile, and 25% observation will be below first quartile and 75% observation would be above first quartile, that means q1. Second one is basically median, and 50% observation will be below q2 and 50% observation would be above q2, and you can compute it like median. So if observations are odd, so n plus 1 upon 2th observation would be the median, and if it is even, so you will take mean of n upon second, n upon 2, and n plus 2 plus 1 observations mean you will take. Now third quartile, in third quartile 75% observation would be below q3 and 25% observation would be above q3, and the formula you will just multiply 3 in q1. Now let us understand deciles. Deciles are those values of the variate which divide the distribution into 10 equal parts. Therefore, number of deciles is 9. Now let x1, x2, x3, xn be n values of a variate x. Then deciles are denoted by di, where I is from 1, 2 to 9, and to compute its formula is di I into n plus 1 upon 10th observation. So if I is 1, so that would be first decile. I is 2, so second decile. I is 3, so third decile, and so on. Now let us understand percentile. It has the similar concept like quartiles and deciles. So percentiles are those values of the variate which divide the distribution into 100 equal parts. Therefore, number of deciles is 99. Let x1, x2, x3, xn be n values of a variate x. Then deciles are denoted by di, where I is from 1 to 99. And to compute its formula is di I into n plus 1 upon 100. That observation. So if I is 1, so first percentile, I is 2, second percentile, I is 3, third percentile, and so on. So you have understood what are quartiles, deciles, and percentiles, and what that wraps up our session on quartiles, deciles, and percentiles. I hope this breakdown helps you understand how these measures work and how you can apply them to your own data. In upcoming videos, I will do numericals so that understanding would be more clear. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video. And if you found this video very helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments what topics would you like us to cover next. Thanks for watching the video.